Hi. After this COVID-19 crisis, most of the business have experienced a negative impact. The pandemic has sped up the pace of digitization across all sectors. Globally, digital adoption has accelerated due to this crisis. So just to help the printers and as per the customer's demand, we Indus Analytics have invented in-print cloud-based application for the printers. The best part of this application is it is designed as a responsive application. So it can be used from any desktop, laptop, tablet and mobile, which means you can even use this application sitting right in front of the customer and can give the costing instantly. You will be able to access all type of the information from anywhere, anytime. This cloud-based application allows you to calculate the total cost of all type of the printing products and get the best price done for your customer by using artificial intelligence. With a few clicks only and not more than 2 minutes, you will get the costing done with the best prices. You also do not have to mess with the manual calculation, which needs more time and your effort. So let's have a look what key benefits you will get after having this in-print application. So this application is completely a cost-effective application, so any printer also can buy this. It can be operated from anywhere, anytime. We have a perfect and user-friendly product design for this application. We have a used client base. We provide regular updates with new innovative ideas and features to the customers. It provides you the process automation to your printing business. We have a dedicated support and implementation team to implement this application. And apart from this, we have 18 plus years of experience in this particular domain. So now let's have a look what key features we have available in this application. So this application we have designed for the multiple printing segments like commercial, publication, packaging. It's completely a cloud-based application, so it can be operated from anywhere, and there is no OS dependency on this. You can use this from the Windows, from Mac, anywhere or anytime. It is available on your device like desktop, laptop, tablet, mobile. It provides you costing within 2 minutes only. This is proven and tested by our existing users, following by 6 steps only. This provides auto sheet planning with the best machine suggestion by using artificial intelligence. We have feature available, so it will give you the special sheet size planning if it is required. This is capable of generating the key line diagram automatically, and the best part of this key line, you can edit this key line in any CAD or any other software. You will get the one-click job card, and we provide email integration also in this. So all in all, why we are doing this? Just to save our time and money. According to our research, at the left you can see a person can save more than 3.74 lakhs by using this in-print application. So if you have any curiosity or any question, please contact on this particular detail so we can present how this in-print application will help you out in that. Thank you very much.